know how difficult the production of food is? Food production is the combined effort of many people. The farmers work hard in the farms to grow food for us. Let us see the various stages involved in the production of paddy. First one, children, tilling. Tilling, tilling. What is tilling? Tilling is prepare and cultivate land for crops. What is cultivation? What is required for cultivation? Growing crops is called cultivation. Cultivation needs some fertile soil, a water source, agriculture equipment, and skilled laborers to assist seeds, fertilizers and pesticides. Next one, irrigating. 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 Irrigating supply water to land or crops to help growth. Next one, raising seed beds. Good quality paddy seeds are sown in a small flower beds and often they go to height of about 20 centimeters. They are removed and bundled in hundreds. Next one, children, transplanting. 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 Transplanting means small paddy plants transferred to another place. Next, weeding. 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 Removing weeds. Next, manuring. Manuring. Next, children, manuring. 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 Apply manure to land. Manure means fertilizers. What are the fertilizers they use more? Urea, phosphate, ammonia. Next, applying pesticides. Pesticides means a substance used to destroy insects. Next, reaping, reaping. Cut or gather a crop. Next, harvesting. 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 Gather. After harvesting, most of the crops is stored in large building. Stages in growing this crop: tilling, irrigating, raising seed beds, transplanting, weeding, manuring, applying pesticides, reaping, harvesting. Next, children, what kind of farming methods have evolved in the recent years? See here, children, the food grown by applying chemical manures and pesticides does more harm than good to our body when consumed, besides the long-term adverse effect on the environment. This is organic farm. Please do not spray. Organic farming is the method of producing food in a natural way by using biofertilizers and employing sustainable eco-friendly techniques such as biological pest control. Organic food is free from harmful chemicals. See here, children, are the farmers who produce food for us getting sufficient income? No. The income of the farmers is declining day by day because of many reasons. Our food security is at stake, so some farmers are adopting integrated farming system which provides year-round income to them and more food production for the country. This system imitates the nature's principles, where not only crops but animals, birds, and fish are grown. These are combined in such a way that each helps the other. The waste of one is recycled as resource for the other, so that the whole farm productivity is increased. Farmers till the soil, sow the seeds, harvest the crops and transport them to the market. Merchants transport the food from the market to the shops. We buy food materials from the shops and take them to our house. See this picture, children. A boy drinks milk. Do you think the food produced in the farm and the food we buy from the market are of the same quality? Are we eating safe food? That glass of milk may not be safe. Why? It may be synthetic milk. Synthetic milk is produced by mixing caustic soda, urea, cheap refined oil and detergent with milk. Some greedy traders contaminate food materials to earn more money at the cost of many lives. The contamination of food materials with low quality, cheap and toxic substances is called food adulteration. Once again repeat, children, what is food adulteration? The contamination of food materials with low quality, cheap and toxic substances is called food adulteration. The substance which degrades the quality of a food material is called an adulterant. Some common food adulterants are brick powder in chili powder, chalk powder in flour, vanaspati in ghee, papaya seed in pepper. Some of the bad practice adopted by a few people which are very harmful to our health are fruits like apple are dipped in molten wax to prevent spoilage and look fresh for days together. Chemicals are used to ripen the fruits artificially. Artificially sweeteners, harmful colors and additives are used to make food items look attractive and tasty. We must be careful about the quality of food materials we use and eat. We should observe the expiry date also before buying. See here, children, observe these pictures carefully. Where do you like to eat? Which food is safe to your health? Generally, street food or food prepared and sold on the roadside is not covered properly. Dust, germs, flies and other harmful insects contaminate the food. Such type of food is harmful to our health. Avoid buying and eating of food which is kept in unhygienic surroundings. In our house also, some insects feed on certain food items. If they are not properly covered, such food is contaminated and hygienic. See here children, germs on tomato. Cockroach eats bread. Rat eats apple. Let us learn some good eating habits to keep our body healthy. First one children, use washed plates. Wash your hands before eating. Wash fruits before eating. Eat covered food. Take small bites. Chew properly. Okay children, follow these good eating habits. See here children, this is a healthy practice. No, utensils that are used to prepare, serve and eat food should be always clean. It is not only the eating habits but also cooking practice that make or mar our health. So, proper care must be taken while preparing food. See here children, healthy cooking habits. The ingredients used to cook food must be fresh, clean and safe. Vegetables should be properly washed with water to remove any dust, soil or chemicals on them. It is necessary to wash hands before cooking. Use apron while cooking. Keep the kitchen clean always. Repeated heating and overcooking of food should be avoided. See here children, these are clean utensils. Washed vegetables before cooking. Fresh food ingredients. Clean kitchen. See this picture children, these are good habits, good eating habits. Eat more fruits. Drink milk regularly. Avoid junk food. What is this picture? Eat frequently in small quantities. This is eat healthy and hygienic food. Have a dinner early. Drink more water. Eat more vegetables, leafy curries. Eat homemade food only. Okay children, do you follow these food habits? Yes or no? Yes. Are these good or bad? Good habits. Do these keep you healthy? Yes or no? Healthy. Our health depends on our food habits. Proper digestion also influence our health. Okay children, bye. I will meet in the next topic. Thank you.